Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside the Instagram app, open it and tap the messenger icon at the top right to reach your conversations. Once done, scan the chat list for any message labeled scheduled or check drafts inside a conversation. You need the scheduled item visible to cancel it, so make sure you're on the correct account. If not, switch accounts first. This step grabs the message you'll edit or remove and sets you up to take the next, more precise actions. Open the specific conversation that holds the scheduled message and tap or long press the scheduled bubble to reveal its options. You'll typically see choices like edit, cancel, or delete. Select cancel to stop delivery, or edit if you want to change timing or content. Once you cancel, Instagram removes the scheduled send time and prevents delivery. It's important to confirm the cancellation when prompted. Without confirmation, the message may remain scheduled, so take that extra tap to be certain. Finish by confirming the cancellation and then verify the message no longer carries a scheduled label inside the chat. If you still see it, force close and reopen Instagram or check the web/desktop version to sync status. Sometimes the UI lags. Make sure your app is updated and clear cache if cancellations fail repeatedly. Updates fix scheduling bugs. If cancellation still doesn't stick, reschedule a new message and immediately cancel it to force server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.